Imagination, that great gift that has contributed so much to the development. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Student is not a container you have to fill but a torch you have to light up. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it.